7 tips for mental well-being in this pandemic. This has been a very difficult year for the whole world. With this global pandemic heading towards a second wave, people have been struggling a lot this year with mental health problems. In this video, we will summarize 7 useful tips to take care of your mental well-being. Do watch this video till the end because you will learn some strategies to cope in these challenging times. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video and give us your feedback in the comments below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Refrain from self-medication. Anxiety, agitation, low mood, and insomnia are the most common symptoms that people are experiencing during this time. There is a lot of temptation to manage these by using medicines without a prescription. Although some of these medicines may give a temporary relief from certain symptoms, in the long run, it will cause significant harm, as in time, these can lead to addiction. Number 2. Check your employment rights. Financial stress is one of the biggest worry in this pandemic. It is understandable that with economic crisis affecting every job sector, both employers and employees are worried about the financial securities of their family. This can have a big impact on our mental health. If you have not already done it, you might want to talk with your employer and find out more about government support for businesses and individuals in your area. Number 3. Pre-plan essential commitments. If you are unable to get to the shops, make a plan in advance as to how you can get household supplies that you need regularly. Asking neighbors or family or friends and splitting outdoor chores with them could work well and reduce chances of exposure to coronavirus. A lot of businesses have started home delivery services, so it might be worth exploring that option. Keep an inventory of what you already have in the house and what are the essential things that you need. This also applies when you have ongoing health problems and medicines that you might need. Thinking well in advance about these essential aspects will reduce the last-minute stress. Number 4. Stay connected with others. Maintaining healthy relationships with people you care and trust is important for your mental well-being. Think about ways to stay in touch with friends and family and support each other if one of you needs to stay at home. It is normal to feel a bit worried, scared, or helpless about the current situation. Just remember that it is okay to share your emotions and fear with others you trust. If constant thoughts about the current situation are making you feel anxious or overwhelmed, try some ideas to help manage your anxiety. Number 5. Look after your physical health. Our physical health has a big impact on how we feel. The current pandemic is trapping a lot of people into unhealthy patterns of behavior that end up making you feel worse. It is important to eat healthy, nutritious, and well-balanced meals. Keeping hydrated by drinking enough water is important, and try getting in the habit of regular exercise. If you are staying at home, develop a habit to try 10 to 15 minutes of exercise or home workouts. Most importantly, don't get addicted to smoking, drugs, or drinking alcohol, as that will cause more harm both in the short term and then in the long run. Number 6. Do not follow news all the time. Try to limit the time you spend on news, on television, and on social media. Listening to the same thing again and again feeds into the anxiety about this pandemic, and it can later manifest as symptoms of mental health problems. There is already a rise in the number of people who are receiving support from mental health services in various parts of the world. If news is what you are looking for, try a trustworthy source like the local government website. Number 7. Relax and do the things you enjoy. When we are feeling anxious, low, or worried, we tend to stop doing things that we usually enjoy. It is important to make an effort and focus on a hobby. Try learning something new at home, as there are lots of free tutorials and courses online which you can use. Relaxation techniques like meditation, Mindfulness can help with difficult emotions and worries and also improve our well-being. Don't forget, a good sleep is a major component of feeling well. Try to maintain a regular sleeping pattern and follow a good sleep hygiene. We hope you find these points useful. Don't lose hope, as soon this pandemic will be over. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Also, let us know which other health topics would you like us to explain in future videos. Until then, stay safe and thank you for watching.